See, there's power in a community, being a part of a trading community. I know I talked to you about how you can tap into trading, but positioning yourself to know when to buy, when to sell, and get money out of the market, and do it in a way that even if you're new, you can still be profitable with high probabilities. But having a network in a community and being able to know what other people are seeing, and they say, hey, it's a setup in this particular, under this particular ticker, under this particular time frame, and now you go click on that same time frame and y'all all position yourself to get money out of the market is pretty significant as well. I'm gonna show a chart read that took place today, soon as the market opened in whatever session it was, because typically it doesn't open on Sundays, but at a certain part of the day, the end part of Sunday, I forget if that's the Tokyo session, Asian session, I don't know, I'm still figuring it out myself. The market opened up, and then I not only was profitable and hit what the signal said, it hit multiple profit points. But somebody put a bug in the group ear, basically saying, hey, this is a trade that's taking place. I said all that to say, if you want access to the system so you can know when to buy, when to press sell, when a good time to take profits, when, you know, it's good to more so do your take loss, basically, so you don't lose more than necessary. All of those things pre-planned, plus a ton of other things that could position you to learn how to trade as a newbie, or strengthen your trading ability if you've been trading for a while and you just didn't know these little nuances that were programmed by somebody who's been trading over a decade, helping people trade for a very long time as well. That link is available below. But check out this chart. It was pretty powerful. And the fact that they were talking about it in a group, it made me go look. And it was happening right then and there. I didn't catch that trade, but it just let me know the future. I'm not fearing the missing out, because I know now that I got access, it's just a matter of time before I'm able to capitalize. And it's a matter of time before you can capitalize as well, because it's important for you to get skill sets that makes you an asset, and all you got to do is tap in to get access. Let's look at the charts. All right, so this is a trade that took place not too long ago when somebody let us know, hey, it's a setup taking place inside of this particular ticker. This ticker is MNQ. I'm on a 3-minute chart, but you know, they were looking at it in the 2-minute chart as well, and it's gonna play faster than typical. But I just want you to see the perks of having this tool that lets you focus on certain things. The main thing we're focused on are 4 metrics. What's the daily bias? What signal does it give us? Do we have what the trend is, and then do we have any momentum, which is that green line down here. Right now it's gray. When that's green, that means it's momentum that can push the market in the direction of where it's trending at the time. So if it's green right here, showing the green volume like bars, and then green right here like it just popped up, that means it has potential to go up. However, the daily bias needs to match as well. Right now, the daily bias is saying bearish. So we're more so looking for a selling opportunity, an opportunity to press sell. And you see we just got presented a red bar right there. Oh, right there, boom. So this is a sell signal. So this is a scenario, what I'm referring to. You're looking for bearish conditions, a sell. If it's bearish, you're looking for a sell. If it was bullish, you'll be looking for a buy. But it said reverse sell. You see that red candle just happened right there, and then it automatically starts plotting your take profit zones. So let's spread that out a bit. Some of the things I don't know how to remove, but it's all good. So I know you see this is a, let's go to the 2-minute chart. Oh, nah, not right there. Let's go to the 2-minute, because I think it'll clear it up a little bit. All right, so the reverse sell happens sooner in the 2-minute chart. So what I'm gonna do is go back a little bit just so you can see what took place. So let's go back a little bit, shall we? And I'll make it brief. I'm gonna keep it on high speed. But the signal happened a little early on the 2-minute chart. And sometimes when you're looking at these, you have to switch charts just to kind of see what it's presenting. You'll learn more about that later, but typically we're in the 2-minute chart, and that's where they told us they saw the signal in the first place. So I was just on a 3-minute chart doing a comparison anyway. But anyway, long story short, we got bearish conditions. We got some momentum. It's starting to trend in a downward direction. And then it was a big jump from here to here when the market actually opened. But let's see how this played out. And what you want to look at are those 4 metrics. If you can count to 4 and look at the right metrics, and you can pay attention to the colors, then you can position yourself to be profitable. That was pretty significant drop, and then boom, we were presented with a reverse sell signal. So if you can see, it's a sell signal. That's number 1 metric. Number 2 is bearish. That matches. That's number 2. We got trending bars. That's number 3. Then we got green momentum. That's number 4. And then right here you can see there's a take profit 1, a take profit 2, and a take profit 3. And what tends to happen is, especially when it busts through like a rectangular box like this green one, it tends to want to go test these next boxes here. That's a whole nother conversation that I'm learning as well. But let's see how it played out. And before I even see how it played out, let's hypothetically place a trade. Oh, hold up. All right, so, and I'm doing 3. This is just an example. Some people are trading more than 1 contract. I've been doing 1, but I want you to see the potential. And if you had more than 1 contract, and what can happen in a certain or a short time frame. Now, trading with more contracts does have more risk, but it positions you to be able to make more in a shorter amount of time, but it can also position you to lose in a certain amount of time as well. But let's hit the sell button and then continue to hit play and see how the market played out based on having an A+ setup. An A+ setup is when all of those 4 metrics that I just went over line up. And just like that, and I know that's, it's going faster than typical, but it hasn't hit the take profit yet. We took the trade around here. Each bar represents 2 minutes, but in a 4 to 6 minute time frame, a person with 3 contracts could have made $300. And if they were okay with that at that time, then they can close it out. So that's just an example of how being in the market for a short amount of time can position you to have decent profits just that quick. Now, I could have went on and let it play a little longer and let you see it hit the other take profits as well, but I just wanted to paint a picture of how certain people may make a certain amount of money in a short amount of time just by paying attention to the A+ trade, getting in and getting out. Getting in and getting out. Not overstaying your welcome, not letting them manipulate the market and have it going up and down. You just get in, get out. But trading with more contracts does have its risk. I just want you to see the power and the potential of what could happen when you start getting a better understanding and flow and, paying attention to the tools and the metrics that are laid out. Again, if you want access to the tools so you'll know when to buy, when to sell, and have your preset take profit zones and as well as your stop loss, so you position yourself to not lose too much money, but lose strategically, take controlled losses, then that link is down below. Mr. Smith signing out. Salute.